In this tutorial, we're going to show you how sticky move tolerance works and how you set it. So you can see here in ArcMap I have a parcels layer added, and you apply and use sticky move tolerance when you're editing data. So let's go up to the editor toolbar. I'm going to click on editor, start editing. So we're in an edit session. Now I'm going to zoom in on some parcels here. Now, anytime you're editing data, if you select the edit tool here, and then select a feature and click and drag it, that feature is going to move. So sometimes you may inadvertently select and move a feature when you didn't want to, and that can create errors in your data. So let's undo that and move that parcel back to its original location. And now we're going to set a sticky move tolerance. So let me clear that feature first here. So I'm going to go to Editor on the Editor toolbar and go down to Options. Now on the General tab, right here you can see Sticky Move Tolerance, and it's set to 0 pixels right now. The pixels unit of measurement can get a little confusing. It would make more sense if it was units of feet or meters, but the pixels relates to your screen resolution and pixels on your computer monitor. At any rate, you just have to play around with this to see what works for you. So I'm going to type in, or set that to 20 pixels, click OK. Now if I select a feature and then click and drag on it to try and move it, I have to move more than 20 pixels before that feature will actually move. So you can see how it was kind of stuck in place until I moved that 20 pixels. So let's undo that again, and we're just going to change that sticky move tolerance to something a little bit higher, just to take another look at it, make sure we understand how it works. So we're going to set that to 50 pixels now. We'll click OK to set that. Now if I click and drag on this parcel again, when I start trying to move it, it's not going to move. It's sticking in place until I move it 50 pixels or more. Then it moves to a different location. So you can see how sticky move tolerance works, and we showed you how to set it. Let's go ahead and undo our move. Just to review that, go to Editor, Options. On the General tab, that's where you can set your sticky move tolerance. Play around with that tolerance, see what works best for you, and that'll help you to avoid moving features inadvertently when you're editing data. So that's it for our tutorial today. Let us know if you have any questions or comments about it. Alright? Thanks.